Ujjayi breathing is a powerful yogic technique that can be done as a standalone practice, or it can be a part of your asana or meditation routine. Namaste, I'm Archana. A warm welcome to this video on Ujjayi breathing, where I'll show you what is Ujjayi breathing, how to do the practice, what are its benefits, when to avoid, and how to progress with your practice. What is Ujjayi breathing? Ujjayi breathing is also called as the victorious breath because in Sanskrit, Ujjayi means victorious or triumphant. Sometimes it's also called as the ocean's breath because the sound that is produced mimics the sounds produced by the waves in the ocean. This happens because we will be focusing on constricting our throat and there's some resistance for the airflow, and this produces that sound which, to make it more relatable, it sounds like a soft, gentle snore, which I'm sure most of us have heard at some point in our life. So how are we going to do the practice? For the first step, we're going to sit in a comfortable seated position, keeping the back straight, chin is parallel, arms are resting or your palms are resting, facing the ceiling on your thighs. Close your eyes, or you can keep a soft gaze, whatever you're comfortable. For step 2, we're simply going to breathe in through our nose and exhale through our mouth like you're letting out a big sigh. Breath in through your nose and exhale. You're going to do 2 more of this. Inhale and exhale. Listen for the sound too. Now in step 3, we're going to breathe in through our nose and breathe out through our mouth. But the only thing is, halfway during our exhalation, we're going to close our lips. So let's try that. Inhale. Once again, inhale. Now bring your awareness to the throat and also focus on constricting your throat while you do this. Inhale. Exhale halfway. You should feel some amount of discomfort in your throat. Let's do 2 more rounds together. Inhale through your nose. We're not going to keep our mouth open. All through our inhalation and exhalation, our lips stay closed. So breathe in and the same way, focus on constricting your throat. Inhale. Exhale. I opened my mouth. So let's go again. 3 rounds. Breath in. You're going to focus on 2 things. One is constricting your throat, as well as focusing on that sound that is coming. Inhale through your nose. While you exhale through your nose, constrict your throat. Again, inhale through your nose. Now you can always pause the video, practice this a few more times. In step 5, we are not just going to constrict our throat during our exhalation, but also during our inhalation. This may feel a little unnatural. So if you need to, just practice constricting your throat during your exhalation. Eventually, once you get comfortable, you can start doing it during your inhalation. Inhale, constrict your throat. You can hear that sound. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Three key points to remember while you do the practice. Remember to inhale and exhale through your nose, focusing on the sound and sensation of your breath. Keep your breath slow, even, and controlled. Third point is to keep your inhalation and exhalation of equal duration. This may not happen initially, but over a period of time with practice, you can eventually get there. When you begin your practice, do this for about 30 seconds to a minute, and once you get comfortable, you can use this breath for as long as you want to. When you're doing your yoga, when you're doing your meditation, when you want to come back and focus, or when you're anxious, so feel free to use it. Do this practice as much as you want to. Practicing Ujjayi breathing regularly is great for our emotional, physical, and mental well-being. It helps to calm our mind, it helps with focus and concentration, it reduces stress and anxiety. It is great for the respiratory system because it helps in increasing the lung capacity. It makes our breath rhythmic and uniform. It is great for people who are having high blood pressure. Overall, it balances out the energy in our body. Who can practice Ujjayi breathing? Ujjayi breathing is generally safe to practice by all of us, but if you have any heart disease or any cardiovascular condition, then please avoid. So if you're pregnant, if you feel dizzy while you do your practice, or if you have any of a serious respiratory condition, then do it under the guidance of a yoga teacher. Thank you so much for being here. If you have any questions or queries related to Ujjayi breathing, please write to me in the comments below. If you think this video is helpful to someone you know, please share. And if you're new here, remember to subscribe. Namaste.